This is Mike. Mike just bought his first home to graduation. Mike is excited to start using his fireplace. Mike did not know that he should have had his chimney cleaned before using it. After 2 months, Mike had had a chimney fire. Mike's living room is now ruined and his chimney must be rebuilt. All because Mike did not have his chimney cleaned and inspected. Mike's insurance company did not cover all the damages to his belongings and in his home. Do not be like Mike and call the Chimney Sweepers today to set up your appointment. The Chimney Sweepers. Visit our website at www.thechimneysweepers.us. Phone number 800-682-2604.